Unlocking the secrets of high-class service. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might have heard quite often but might not fully understand: high-class service. This phrase is not just about luxury. It's about quality, attention to detail, and an exceptional experience. So, let's break it down together and find out what makes a service high class. First things first, let's dissect the phrase high class. High, in this context, refers to something of superior quality or rank. It's about being at the top, not just in terms of price, but in terms of the value and experience provided. Class refers to a category or quality of excellence. When we combine these words, high class describes something that is of the highest quality and standard in its category. Now, let's talk about the word service. Service can be defined as the action of helping or doing work for someone. It's about meeting needs, solving problems, and providing satisfaction. In the context of high-class service, we're not just talking about any service. We're talking about a service that goes above and beyond. It's about creating an unforgettable experience for the customer, one that leaves a lasting impression. So, what makes a service high class? Here are a few key characteristics. Personalization, tailoring the service to fit the individual needs and preferences of the customer. Attention to detail, paying close attention to every small aspect of the service to ensure perfection. Professionalism, demonstrating utmost respect, courtesy, and competence in every interaction. Exclusivity, offering services that are unique or hard to find elsewhere, adding to the feeling of luxury. Responsiveness, being quick to respond and adapt to the customer's needs and feedback. To put this into context, let's consider a few examples. A luxury hotel that not only offers a comfortable stay but also personalized experiences for each guest, such as custom-tailored outings or in-room dining experiences designed around their preferences. A high-end restaurant where the staff knows the menu inside out and can recommend dishes based on your tastes, dietary restrictions, or curiosity for trying something new and exquisite. A boutique consultancy firm that provides tailored advice and solutions to its clients, ensuring their unique business needs are met with precision and creativity. Understanding the phrase high-class service goes beyond recognizing a service that is simply expensive or luxurious. It's about appreciating the depth of quality, personalization, and excellence that defines the experience. Whether you're a provider or a recipient of such a service, recognizing these elements can elevate your expectations and offerings. We hope this exploration has shed some light on what makes a service truly high class. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.